How to use Achmea Disability Insurance Netherlands properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Achmea Disability Insurance in the Netherlands replaces part of your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. Some Achmea plans cover only your own occupation, while others cover any occupation. Choosing the wrong type could leave you underprotected if your illness or injury affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter waiting periods cost more but provide faster support. Aligning it with your savings and monthly expenses is essential. Underestimating the benefit amount is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Achmea offers riders such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Achmea requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Achmea Disability Insurance Netherlands can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.